Hello everyone, how are you guys? Hope you are doing well. Today I came again to teach you about one Epson dot matrix printer. Actually, guys, everyone knows that the point of sale printers mostly a thermal printing concept. But today with me, the point of sale printer as a, with the dot matrix technology. If you want to print multiple copies of your bill or invoices, meantime, just like maybe Epson LQ350, Epson LQ690, the printers are printing multiple copies at the same time. This is the Epson point of sale printer with the same technology. There's a ribbon inside and the head for printing, and it's not a thermal printing and dot matrix printer in a point of sale printers. I will rotate my camera to show you how to feed the roller inside and how to use it, how to print the self-test page. Okay guys, I will rotate my camera to show you. Stay with me. Okay, this is the point of sale printer actually guys, Epson company, and you can see this is the model number TM-U220PA. First of all, remove this top cover and this cover. Okay, this is the ribbon. I will remove the ribbon also to show you how to fix back it again. Okay, this is a ribbon, same like used in Epson other models, LQ series. This is point of sale printer with the ribbon. Maybe you saw it first time, but if anyone is using this printer, you must know that how to insert the ribbon and how to feed the paper. First of all, I will feed the paper. After remove this everything, there is a lock here. Lift it up. Okay, after you lift it, okay, lift it up. Okay, lift it up. This is the paper roller. I have put it inside. Okay, right after you put it inside here, put it, fix it, and turn this bag off. Okay guys, and keep it as it is. I will disconnect this. No issue with that. Even if you move this, will move it. Okay, this will close. Move it a little bit up and keep it here, and then close this up cover first. Second, we will fix this ribbon inside. Ribbon you will fix here. No, it should be, there is a hole behind, it should be fixed here. Okay, just from here and from left side. Rotate it little, it means it's fixed well. Okay guys, after fix the ribbon, close this. Okay, and then also okay. Now if you want to test print or self-test without connected with the computer, how you can test print? Turn it off. Okay, to learn how to feed the roller and how to insert the ribbon, and second thing, without be connecting with the computer, you can check the ribbon and head is working fine or not. Press the feed button continuously and turn the power on. Hello. Feed button, and this is a test print without connecting with the computer. This is called self-test. It will tell everything about capacity and roller, all details about this machine. Hope you understand the method. Not much difficult. Okay. This is the old model actually. If anyone don't know how to feed the roller, you can watch this video. Okay guys, if you have any question, you can ask me in the comments, and don't forget to like the video. Take care, bye.
Bye.